Okay, I can't even believe this. I'm a country boy. I came up here to get a signal after the storm went through. See the storm chaser car right there. It's settled down a little bit, but there's what's left of Country Boy. There's one of the storm chasers standing right there. We've got ambulances and fire trucks running through here. I've been sitting up here for about 20 minutes, and they've been running through like 2 or 3 every few minutes. It's just incredible. And one of the managers of Country Boy said that everybody was okay. Nobody got really hurt bad, so that's a miracle. But it's pretty much destroyed. I mean, I don't see any. There's nothing left. Some people are trapped up on 192nd and Rock Creek. They're looking for people with chainsaws right now. This is just a horrible thing that happened, and this was one of 3 tornadoes ripping through the metro area all at the same time at 6 o'clock this evening. I was in my storm cellar, heard it go through. I actually was crying. It was so horrible sounding, and can't believe I still have a house, and I'm only a mile and a half from this grocery store, and just a half of mile maybe south. So it's pretty darn incredible. The storm chasers assured me that it's all over for the night. And let's hope so. Of course, nobody has any power. All of Norman is out. And I'm sure everybody out here is out. One woman just told me, too, that she works at the Little Axe School. And their administrative offices are gone. And all of the records. And that's just maybe a mile and a half from here. So this is pretty incredible. I had to come up here to try to get a signal, or I wouldn't have known anything about it. The tower, the AT&T tower, was right behind Country Boy grocery store, and now it is gone along with the store. Okay, that's it for right now. It's May 10th, 2010. It's quite the mess. At least nobody was hurt. I mean, that is just incredible that nobody was hurt out here. Look at the line of cars. You know these people are just coming to look and gawk. I can't believe it. They were talking about ambulance set up there. Boy, that road's closed. Oh, there's the street to the school. That is where the woman told me that works at the administration office that there is no administration office left anymore. And there's this weird haze, fog that has set in now. Just kind of eerie and spooky. I'll be glad to get to town where there's electric. But look at this. This is incredible. There's something going on up here, too. More roads closed off, I guess. I just can only imagine. Without having a TV, I've seen no coverage, of course. Look at this fog. And I can only imagine that there are so many housing, you know, it's like a lot of houses out here. This is a little community all of its own, even though it's Norman, within the Norman city limits. We're like 20 miles out from the outskirts of Norman, and it's just, you know, full of people. I mean, there's the Little Axe School is the school I was talking about, and all of these people that live and work out here. And one person had told me when I was at Country Boy earlier today that a lot of these little housing additions out in here got hit. I just feel so sorry for them. I mean, I don't know what they're going to do. But I won't know the extent of any of it until I get to a television set, I guess. I have had friends call me, though, that have told me it's all over the national news. I guess if the Weather Channel's out here set up at Country Boy, I guess that's part of it. But I just can't believe there were like 3 tornadoes going through this metro area all at the same time. And then a friend told me that there are actually 20 have been reported so far just this afternoon in Oklahoma. And you know that count will probably go up. This may be a really long trip to town. When I was at Country Boy earlier, there were ambulances and fire trucks and police cars, sirens blasting every few minutes. Just everywhere. Look at this. Jeez. I'm so grateful for my storm cellar, though, I tell you. It was scary. It was very, very scary in my storm cellar. It was, and it was even scarier being there alone. I love living out in the middle of nowhere, but times like this, it's not so much fun. Highway 9 is open today, but there's sure a lot of damage. Wow, across here. Perfect Swing was hit. A bunch of houses have tarps all over them. This little place, ooh, it went right through here, you can tell. Oh, power lines. They're working on power lines for sure. Wow, there's a telephone poles are down. Look at these. Here's a new housing addition. Look at, they've got blue tarps all over the roofs. It went through here, definitely. It followed Highway 9 just perfectly. All the way out to take out Country Boy. Up, that building's damaged. We've got fence down here. Whoa, that's a mess. Look at that mess. Oh my gosh. The back. Oh, look at that. And then over across the road from Country Boy. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that last night. Look, the church is gone. Well, hit pretty hard. Oh man, Country Boy is over there, across the road. Look at this. Look at this.